daily practice for English.
Hi, what's your name?
Hello. My name is Rush.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I am from New Delhi.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
What is this?
This is a paper cutter.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
What's the time?
It is 7:30 p.m.
Where do you live?
I live in Mumbai.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue/green.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 siblings.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have 2 children.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 214-4529.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
Your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is cricket.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Given.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can sing.
What's your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place to visit is Goa.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is The Big Things.
Can you draw?
Yes, I can draw.
What's your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is the Friend Circle.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to exercise.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Can you speak another language?
Yes, I can speak Hindi and French.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I like to take photos.
Can you use a computer?
Yes, I can use a computer.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is football.
Do you like to shop?
Yes, I like to shop.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite song is Sarah Anti-Vaster.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Can you ride a motorcycle?
No, I can't ride a motorcycle.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is math.
What's your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day is Sunday.
Can you ice skate?
No, I can't ice skate.
Do you like to go hiking?
Yes, I like to go hiking.
What's your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is tomato and potato.
Can you play chess?
No, I can't play chess.
What's your favorite type of weather?
My favorite weather is winter.
Do you like to go fishing?
Yes, I like to go fishing.
What's your favorite type of car?
My favorite car is Auto Suzuki.
Can you ride a horse?
No, I can't ride a horse.
What's your favorite color for clothes?
My favorite clothing color is red and white.
Do you like to go camping?
Yes, I like to go camping.
What's your favorite type of shoes?
My favorite shoes are sports shoe.
Can you bake cookies?
Yes, I can bake cookies.
Do you like to watch sports?
Yes, I like to watch sports.
What's your favorite type of bag?
My favorite bag is school bag.
Can you do yoga?
Yes, I can do yoga.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I like to go to the beach.
What's your favorite type of phone?
My favorite phone is Samsung.
Can you juggle?
No, I can't juggle.
What's your favorite type of watch?
My favorite watch is smartwatch.
Do you like to go to the gym?
Yes, I like to go to the gym.
Can you do magic tricks?
No, I can't do magic tricks.
Do you like to go to concerts?
Yes, I like to go to concerts.
Can you ride a skateboard?
No, I can't ride a skateboard.
Do you like to go to museums?
Yes, I like to go to museum.
What's your favorite type of flower?
My favorite flower is rose.
Can you do handstands?
No, I can't do handstands.
Do you like to go to the zoo?
Yes, I like to go to the zoo.
Can you bake a cake?
Yes, I can bake a cake.
Do you like to go to the park?
Yes, I like to go to the park.
Can you play soccer?
Yes, I can play soccer.
Do you like to go to the library?
Yes, I like to go to the library.
Can you knit or crochet?
No, I can't knit or crochet.
What's your favorite holiday destination?
My favorite holiday destination is Taj Mahal.
Can you ride a scooter?
No, I can't ride a scooter.
Do you like to go to the theater?
Yes, I like to go to the theater.
Can you do a cartwheel?
No, I can't do a cartwheel.
Do you like to go to the beach in the summer?
Yes, I like to go to the beach in the summer.
Do you like to go hiking in the mountains?
Yes, I like to go hiking in the mountains.
Can you do a somersault?
No, I can't do a somersault.
Do you like to go skiing in the winter?
Yes, I like to go skiing in the winter.
Can you do a backflip?
No, I can't do a backflip.
Do you like to go swimming in the pool?
Yes, I like to go swimming in the pool.
Do you like to go camping in the forest?
Yes, I like to go camping in the forest.
Do you like to go to the zoo to see animals?
Yes, I like to go to the zoo to see animals.
Do you like to go to the park to relax?
Yes, I like to go to the park to relax.
Can you swim in a lake?
Yes, I can swim in a lake.
Do you like to go to the library to read?
Yes, I like to go to the library to read.
Can you play the piano?
No, I can't play the piano.
Do you like to go to the cinema to watch movies?
Yes, I like to go to the cinema to watch movies.
Can you cook a special dish?
Yes, I can cook a special dish.
Do you like to go to the beach to swim?
Yes, I like to go to the beach to swim.
What are they doing?
They are playing football.
What is he eating?
He is eating a sandwich.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing a blue dress.
What is it making?
It is making a loud noise.
What is he writing?
He is writing a letter.
What are you cooking?
I am cooking dinner.
What are they watching?
They are watching a movie.
What is she drawing?
She is drawing a picture.
What is he saying?
He is saying hello.
What are we learning?
We are learning English.
What is the dog chasing?
The dog is chasing a ball.
What is she smelling?
She is smelling the flowers.
What are they drinking?
They are drinking juice.
What is it showing?
It is showing a video/a picture.
What is he cleaning?
He is cleaning his room.
What is he fixing?
He is fixing the car.
What are they planting?
They are planting flowers.
What is she wearing on her head?
She is wearing a hat on her head.
What is he holding in his hand?
He is holding a pen in his hand.
What are they sitting on?
They are sitting on a bench.
What is she doing in the kitchen?
She is cooking in the kitchen.
What is he doing in the garden?
He is gardening in the garden.
What are they doing at the park?
They are playing at the park.
What is she doing on the computer?
She is typing on the computer.
What is he doing in the library?
He is reading in the library.
What are they doing at the beach?
They are swimming at the beach.
What is it doing in the water?
It is floating in the water.
What is she doing in the morning?
She is brushing her teeth in the morning.
What is he doing at 7 a.m.?
He is having breakfast at 7 a.m.
When are you studying English?
I am studying English in the evening.
What is she doing after school?
She is playing with friends after school.
When is he going to bed?
He is going to bed at 10 p.m.
What are you watching on TV?
I am watching a movie on TV.
When are they having lunch?
They are having lunch at 12:30 p.m.
What is he doing in the evening?
He is watching TV in the evening.
When is she doing her homework?
She is doing her homework in the afternoon.
What are you eating for dinner?
I am eating pasta for dinner.
When is he exercising?
He is exercising in the morning.
What is she doing before bed?
She is reading a book before bed.
When are you leaving for work?
I am leaving for work at 8:30 a.m.
What is he doing at 4 p.m.?
He is having a snack at 4 p.m.
When is she walking her dog?
She is walking her dog in the evening.
What are you doing on the weekends?
I am going shopping on the weekends.
When is he checking his email?
He is checking his email in the morning.
What is she doing at 3 p.m.?
She is meeting her friends at 3 p.m.
When are you cleaning your room?
I am cleaning my room on Saturdays.
What is he doing after work?
He is relaxing after work.
When is she feeding her pet?
She is feeding her pet in the morning.
What are you wearing today?
I am wearing a blue dress today.
When is he calling his family?
He is calling his family in the evening.
What is she cooking for dinner?
She is cooking chicken for dinner.
When are you going to the gym?
I am going to the gym at 6:30 a.m.
What is he watching on TV in the afternoon?
He is watching a sports game on TV in the afternoon.
When is she doing her laundry?
She is doing her laundry on Sundays.
What are you eating for lunch today?
I am eating a sandwich for lunch today.
When is he meeting his friends?
He is meeting his friends at 5 p.m.
What are you studying for right now?
I am studying for an English exam right now.
What is he doing at the office?
He is typing at the office.
What is she doing for work?
She is answering calls for work.
When are you working today?
I am working from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
What are they doing in the factory?
They are assembling products in the factory.
What is she wearing at the hospital?
She is wearing a white coat at the hospital.
When is he meeting clients?
He is meeting clients in the afternoon.
What is your boss doing right now?
My boss is having a meeting right now.
When are you getting paid?
I am getting paid at the end of the month.
What is she saying on the phone?
She is talking to a customer on the phone.
When is the teacher teaching the class?
The teacher is teaching the class at 10 a.m.
What is the chef cooking in the kitchen?
The chef is cooking a delicious meal in the kitchen.
When are they fixing the car?
They are fixing the car in the garage.
What is he driving for work?
He is driving a delivery truck for work.
When is she cleaning the house?
She is cleaning the house in the morning.
What are they serving at the restaurant?
They are serving food at the restaurant.
When is your colleague leaving for a business trip?
My colleague is leaving for a business trip next week.
What is she designing on her computer?
She is designing a website on her computer.
When are you working on the project?
I am working on the project right now.
What is the mechanic fixing in the garage?
The mechanic is fixing a car in the garage.
When is the nurse helping patients?
The nurse is helping patients all day.
What is the gardener planting in the garden?
The gardener is planting flowers in the garden.
When is your manager giving a presentation?
My manager is giving a presentation tomorrow.
What are they creating in the art studio?
They are creating paintings in the art studio.
When is he serving customers in the shop?
He is serving customers in the shop right now.
What is the construction worker building?
The construction worker is building a new house.
When is the cashier counting money?
The cashier is counting money at the end of the day.
What is she fixing at the IT department?
She is fixing computers at the IT department.
When are you opening your business?
I am opening my business next month.
What are they discussing in the meeting?
They are discussing the project in the meeting.
When is your coworker arriving at the office?
My coworker is arriving at the office at 9 a.m.